This is it. This is the probably going to be the first case brought before the Supreme Court against the Senate regarding quote-unquote a draft report. When I read the opinion, I wasn't convinced because all the cases that they cited pertained only to executive offices. Sa PESA, kay Commissioner Neri nung araw. These are all not applicable, and this is the first time we are challenging what they call privileged communication, quote-unquote, of the Senate, saying it's confidential, but I'm saying it's not confidential anymore. It's public matter. They used public funds to investigate the flood control scam. They used public hour for that. And more importantly, Senator Ping Lacson has been talking about that report. Diba? Ang tagal-tagal nila pinag-uusapan yan, February 3 onwards, what is confidential? That Supreme Court orders the Senate to release this original report. Or kung hindi kaya, at least preserve it. Preserve the original report or disclose it to the public later on so we can compare it how it was changed by the Senate eventually. That's important to us. We have the word of Senator Ping Lacson, and we already know that 3 senators signed it. Senator Kiko, Senator Pam, and Senator Risa signed it. I suppose they should have copies also. We will request it from them. We can verify it from them. I don't know. I even mas siguro patunudahan ng Senate pag sinabi ng Supreme Court i-release yung draft. Hindi nila babaguhin yan.